Hi, hello, BGR tutorials, AI technologies, and this tutorial. So many software videos and networking videos. Please subscribe our BGR tutorial point videos, share and like and comment. Thank you. Hi, welcome to back everyone. My channel BGR tutorial point. My old channel is the Tech Dude 8481. The both channels are there. Please support continuously. So thank you everyone, every viewers. The today topic is the networking layering technology. What are the important of this layering technology? What is the how many types of layers are there this technology utilizing, and this is the cover in the OSI layer technology also, and it is covered to TCP IP also. It is covered. This is outcome is coming back of this totally video you watch completed. You should learn the what is the TCP IP, what is the OSI layer technology, what is the important of the this layer technology of this networking. This is the main reason. There are layer technologies, the 7 layers are there. Let us go video. Thank you friends, welcome to back everyone, my channel Vijay tutorial point. Today topic is covering the what is the layer technology in computer networking, what are the advantages, what is the how many types of layers is covered in the outcoming, and OSIO and TCP IP. It is the main, the networking layer means breaking up the sending messages, separate components and activity. Each component handles the different of the communication, can be referred to transmissions in the protocol. This TCP IP. What are the 7-layer networking? It is the OS reference modules of this communication between the computing system or networking system, split into 7 different abstract layers are there. It is the mainly is the layer technology: physical layer, data layer, link layer, networking layer, transport layer, session layer, presentation and application. What is the layer and it is type? The answer, the explanation of layers, arrangements of the leaves of the open system instructions and the OS modules. This layer OSI modules, namely physical data link and networking, transport, sessions and presentations, application layers respective. What are layer computer securities? This layer security modules approach security involves implementing multiple security measures, different levels layer within the system or networking ideas, creating serious barriers that an attack must overcome. Access the system still sensitive. The layer security modules. This is the layer security modules approach security that involves implementation multiple security measures at different levels layer within a system or networking ideas. It is create a serious barriers and attack must overcome, address access system and still sensitive. This the layer security modules, the layer security benefits. The layer security modules provide more comprehensive, effective approach security than relying single security measures in the implementing multiple layers. The security organizers can be reduce the risk of cyber attacks to transactions online, your credit cards and bank accounts, any transactions in the office document. It is the layer security benefits. The security which instead of the including the what are the layer security benefits? Increase security. The by implementing multiple layers of the security, organization can create more secure environment for it to access data and system. Each layer of the security provides unique from protection, helps to migrate and the risk of breach. Reduce risk. The layer security models reduce the risk successful cyber attacks and secure breach by required attacks to bypass multiple security measures, this making more difficult attack to the succeed to give security terms more time to detect in the response storage. The great will is the even the security which the layer security modules are provide additional layers defend then can help to contain the damages and limits of the impact of the attacks. This can help organize minimize damages instead of the required while quick recovery in progress. What are the improvement compels? The layer security models can help organization adhere to the international standards and regulation of security. Many regulations of standards that require multiple layers of security to be in place, making layer and approach essential. The complexion, the flexibilities. The layer security models always organize selected control measures. There are a specified needs risk budget and needs the organization can be while implementation measures and critical assets. How layer security works? The layer security works nearly in the this way: physical security, networking security, application security, data security, user education. This way it is works. This is the physical security. There is a first layer is secured with the physical security measure. This is called physical layer. It access controlling system and security cameras. This layer is designing to the prevent unauthorized physical access in the facility of data centers. The networking securities. The layer is the designing protect against networking based attacks and prevent unauthorized access to networking through users, firewalls and instructions of detection systems and antivirus software. The application and security, the third layer of the security in application security, which is including measures such as security coding, patricals and present testing and validability of assigning these layers is the designing the protect against application layer attacks such as across site scripts and SQL engine. Data security. This data security is fourth layer in security. It is data security. It is the including measures such as encrypted access to control and backup. Recovery produce. This layer is the designing to protect against theft and loss data, unauthorized access to sensitive information. The use education, the final layer of the security is the user education, which involves education employees on the best security practices such as a strong password management, finishing and awareness and social engineering awareness. The layer is the designing to migrating risk of human errors, which is the major contribution factors. The implementing multiple layers security organization can be create more comprehensive. What are the disadvantages stratified in the users in securities? The complexity, flash sensor security, use inconvenience and integrated issues caused. The disadvantage of security layers, the complexities. The layer security models can be complex, difficult to manage, especially different layers are implemented, different vendors or teams. This can be result increasing cost and complex in the long term. The false sense of the security. The layer security models can also create false sense of security. The layer are not implemented properly, they are not a regular maintained and upgrade. This can be leads to vulnerability and gaps their security posture. Use in menace. Some security measures such as complex passwords requirement to factors authentication can be convenience of users. It may result decreasing the product use and precisions. This is the just like in the Google two-step verification. The example of this interrogation issues. The different layers of security may not allow integrating seamlessly, which can create additional complexity. Potential vulnerability can be particularly changing the when implementing new security measures or the integrated new systems into the existing security frameworks. It is example, you log in your office system and another event travel all other location, that is security reasons. You ask the two-step verification, press your mobile yes or no. That is the measurement. The cost of the security layers. The implementation of layered security models can be costly. It is often required significant investment, hardware, software, personnel managing the maintenance, the various layers. The layers security architecture. What are the layer security architecture? This the perimeter security is the first layer is security perimeter security, which is designed to prevent unauthorized access to the organization network. In outsides are not allowed this network. This is means the layer typical including firewalls, intrusions, detections, prevent systems, and other access control the measurements. The networking security. What are this? This second layer is the security networking. Focus on the protective or organization networking, internal and external threats. This layer is the including measures such as encrypt networking, segmentations, networking monitoring, host security. This third party layer security is the host security, which is the designed to protect individual devices such as services and workstations from the malwares and other types of attack. This layer typically including antivirus software or based on firewalls and the intrusion prevent software. The application layer security. This application layer security, fourth layer is security applications, which is the design protect organization from the attacks. The fifth layer is the data security. This fifth layer security, data security, is focusing on the data protection and this recovery, control, access, encrypt, backup. The user education. This is the final layer security users education, which involving education employees or best security practice such as a password management, phishing awareness, and social engineering awareness. The main conclusion of this video is the layered securities architecture provide multiple barriers to cyber threats and ensure that even if one layer is the organized still as other layers are definition prevent a migration of the impact of security incidents. The implementing of the layered security architecture organized can minimize the accurate of the cyber security incidents, protecting their sensitive information on the reputed institutes and reputed organizations. Please subscribe, please share our video tutorial point, and please comment, please ask questions in this